Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well, and today I have a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys. Why don't you grab your cup of coffee, and I have mine right over here, and let's get started. So as you can tell from the title, this will be a Coach unboxing. It is actually a new bag from Coach 2022 Fall and Winter Runway, and it is called Cashin Carry Tote 20. So Coach has created a Cashin Carry Tote before, and this one is a upgraded version of the old Coach Cashin Carry Tote. Before we start the unboxing, I actually want to share with you guys about how did this bag attract my attention. Basically, when it was shown first in the Coach 2022 Fall and Winter Runway, I'm already very much interested in this bag because it's a very simple tote design, but then because the handle of the bag is very thin, it sort of adds that casual elements to the bag. And plus, this bag has a ton of different colors, so this makes it very different from every other different types of tote bags that other design or luxury brands make. And I know it was not available in store at that moment, so I waited and waited, and I think it was at the beginning of March when I saw it in the Coach retail store, and I immediately went to the store and tried on the bag and fell in love with it. And later on, I heard from Coach sales lady telling me that they have a discount for the International Women's Day on 8th of March. So I figured, well, it may be a good opportunity for me to buy the bag because, for this new bag coming from the newest season, it is, well, almost impossible for you to get a discount. You have to wait for another few months at least to get discount on these bags, maybe from one of the online shopping websites like Farfetch. So yeah, I just decided to get the bag. So here is the bag right over here. I haven't opened it even a bit after I purchased it from the store. Now let's unboxing it together. So we have the dust bag over here. Let's open the dust bag. Ooh, check this out. This is absolutely gorgeous. So there you have it, the Coach Cashin Carry Tote 20 in the color of Petunia. Let me give you guys a closer look of the bag. The color is called Petunia. It is like this bright pink/purple color, and it is the only available color in store right now for the 20 size. And I believe towards the end of March, Coach will release more colors, for example, the white color and the bright yellow color. So if you guys don't really fancy this lovely bright pink color, you can wait until the end of March to get some other colors for your choices. So first thing first, let's look at the compartment of this bag. The compartment of this bag is quite simple. It basically only contains one compartment, which is in the middle, this giant middle part, and it doesn't have any closure. The only thing that sort of closes the bag is this little leather magnetic closure in the middle of the bag. So you just close the bag like this. Yep. And inside we have one slip-in pocket on the top. Hope you guys can see it. And over here we have one card holder. And that's it. That's all the compartment of the bag. And regarding the handle of the bag, one thing I love a lot about this series of Cashin Carry Tote bag is that it comes with 3 different straps. So the first strap is the top handle strap over here, and it also comes with a crossbody leather strap right over here. Let me show you guys. This one over here so you can adjust the length of the strap and you can wear it on your shoulder or crossbody. In later part of the video, I will also wear the bag with different types of straps to show you guys how it looks and feel with different straps. And the third strap that comes with this bag is interesting webbing strap. You can wear it crossbody as well with this strap, and this kind of strap is very in trend right now. It adds that kind of a casual look of the bag. You can wear it with your jeans, with all the casual looks you want. An interesting color choice as well, pink and green. Now let's take a look at the size of this bag. Moment of truth. The length of the bag is 20 cm or 8 inch. The width of the bag is 7.5 cm or 3 inch. The height of the bag is almost 14 cm or 5.5 inch. Now let's see what fits inside this bag. I have a few stuff right here and let's put them inside one by one. So first thing first, an iPhone. Let's put it inside. And then I have my wallet here. Let's put it inside. And then I have my card holder right here. Put it inside as well. And then my lipstick right here. And then my hand cream right here. My earphone, put it inside. My key, put it inside as well. Pouch of paper tissue, let's squeeze it inside. And lastly, hand sanitizer, very important these days. Well, to be honest, this is a hand sanitizer that is on the larger side of its regular size, but this is the smallest I can find at our home, so let's put it inside. Right, and let's close it. And you see this bag, it is small, but because of its giant compartment in the middle, it can actually fit in a ton of stuff. Everything beautifully laid out in this bag. Let me show you. So yeah, don't ever underestimate a small bag's potential. It may surprise you in one way or the other. So this bag comes with two different sizes. One is 20 and the other one is 22. The reason why I want to choose the 20 is, first of all, I want to get a bag with a bit more fun colors. You know, the bright pink or the bright green or the bright yellow. And if you get a bigger bag with that kind of fun color, it looks a bit weird. And second, the 22 bag is a little bit too big for me. It looks like that kind of a bag you'd carry for work. Like a very formal work, not super formal, but formal-ish work bag. And if I get a fun color with that size, well, I can't carry it to work then. Some of you may wonder, well, you only have one color option when you were at the store. Why didn't you just wait for a little bit longer? To be honest, I am eyeing two colors. One is the bright green and the other is this bright purple. So yeah, I mean, it just right over there when I was at the store, and this is destiny. One thing I have to mention is that if you want to get a 22 size, you actually can have it with 4 different colors. And yeah, if that's something you want, go ahead and check it out. And now, let me show you how this bag would look when I carry it with all different straps. guys, I hope you liked today's unboxing, and I hope you like the new Coach Cashin Carry Tote. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please consider subscribe to my channel. I mainly talk about bags, fashion and styles, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!